Apples are delicious eaten raw or when prepared in a recipe. After you bring the apples home, you can store them either on the counter or in the refrigerator. Remember, before you use apples, always wash them under cold running water. Let's make the crunchy apple and cheddar salad now. I have 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I have a 1/4 cup of light mayonnaise. 1 cup of chopped celery. A 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And you can mix all of that together. This recipe takes 2 cups of chopped apple. It could take 2 medium apples, 1 large apple. It really depends upon the size of the apple. I'm going to use 1 large apple. First thing I do is I make a little base on the apple, and now you can see that it's not going to move on you. I chop my apples last because when you cut apples, if you keep them out sitting on the counter, they will start to turn brown. So I like to chop the apples last and then add them into the salad. Okay, there we have it, a crunchy apple cheddar salad. Try it with raisins. Make it into a sandwich. Some other ideas for using fresh apples are apples with cheese and peanut butter, apples in your oatmeal, and apple pancakes.